How to check Uber Eats delivery hours near you. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can check Uber Eats delivery hours near you. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open up your Uber Eats and make sure you're logged in. After you do that, enter your current address. So you can do that from here. You can add one address and just set that in. After you set the address, Uber will give you the list of different restaurants available. So here you can see there are many restaurants available here, and what you can do is you can simply tap on any one. So there you can see different restaurants. So I'll just tap on the first one, and after you tap on that, you'll find its arrivals and other stuff. If you tap on its more options, you can see how far it is and how much the time is. You can see the earliest arrivals, and if you look more closely, as it says, it's 52 minutes earliest arrival. So you can go and check other restaurants as well, and you can check how far they are and how long they open up. So as you can see, this one opens up for 24 hours and the earliest time arrival is actually just 10 minutes. So yeah, that is basically how you can see the delivery hours near you and how much time it's gonna take to get delivered. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.